Here we are unloading from a farm downsize we helped with. Here comes a nice Billy. These three goats are Nigerian dwarfs. We ended up with 3 goats and 36 birds, a mix of ducks, geese, turkeys, a couple roosters. Here's a nice little doe. Here comes a nice bred doe. She's due to get out in, I believe, April 14th. So we help out quite a bit of farmers around by taking their unwanted livestock, the livestock they can't use anymore. Somebody needs to downsize due to health, due to life changes. We take them in, use them as breeders, find another farm that is looking for animals. Here comes a nice slate tom. And let's be honest, I mean, these are farm animals and livestock. Some of it does end up getting used for food, whether it's us or somebody looking for a meal or somebody to start out homesteading. We can pass animals along that way too. In case you couldn't tell by all the cow crap on the wall, this is an old milk barn. Used to milk 250, 300 head of cows here. A nice goose. We no longer commercially milk cows here, but another slate hen right there. So out of this group of birds I'm unloading right now, we got a breeding set of slate turkeys. They're slate splash cross turkeys, and a breeding set of geese. We also got a breeding set of Harlequin ducks. We got the tom turkey. He's a splash. At the end of this video, I'll do a update on how all the animals have settled in. It's currently late. It's been a long day in the truck on the road. All these animals are ready to be tucked in for the night, just like I am. Here's a nice another hen. You can see a little bit of the splash coming through on her wings. If you haven't done it already, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you want to continue to follow along, hit that subscribe button. Here we got another splash hen. Another slate hen. By this point, all the birds are starting to get riled up in the truck, making it a little harder to unload. Here we got a male goose. He was a little feisty. Another slate hen. Another male goose. Again, he's had enough for the night. And that's the end of unloading. Now I'll take you guys down and show you where cages I put them. There's our rabbits. Oh, there we go. There's all the birds. Also, here we are the next night. All the birds are happy. All just roosting up on their perch.
We gotta catch that thing. Look, we got a loose rabbit. Turkeys are all roosting wherever they want to. Barn's in shambles. All right, so we gotta catch that rabbit. So let him come out.
You can't run. What are you doing?
So we got, if we can catch that rabbit, we'll hang the crate. And then I gotta put something.
Wait, where's his crate right now?
All right, he's going that way. Let him go that way.
Where's his crate?
Well, we'll get another cage up.
Is that a big rabbit?